Guys, my name is Mithilesh, and so earlier I uploaded videos of simple present and simple past tense. Today I have come with a new video, that is simple future tense. And what is simple future tense? All the action that will take in the future, all the action that takes place in the future. The promises that you want to do, and all actions and right, that happens in the future, in upcoming times, like next day, tomorrow. So all the actions are from simple future tense. Let's have a look about the structure of simple future tense. What is the structure of simple future tense? So I written here, simple future tense, all the actions that will happen in the future, or generally that happens in the future. And the structures are affirmative sentence, first of all subject, will, shall, and the base form, first form of the verb, and then object. The Manoj will play cricket. Manoj will do an action in upcoming time in the future. So any piece of work that will be performed that is done in the future, where we use simple future tense. And so for I and we, for two subjects, we will use shall, and for all the subjects, for all rest subjects, and we will use will. And there is exception also for simple future tense, because generally we use I and we with the shall, and for all other subjects we use will. In simple future, modern English especially use will with all the subjects, but there is some exception also. When we are writing the sentences of, in the sentence, if it is shown promise, threaten, determination, so in this regard helping verbs would be opposite. Like in place of will and shall, we will use will. Let's have a look about these examples. Promise, I will help you, not I shall help you. Threaten, I will kill you, not I shall kill you. Determination, I will go there, not I shall go there. These are the exceptions, and or the conditions are there that you need to learn. So let's have a look about here. Let's talk about the negative sentences. What is negative sentence of simple future? So negative sentence, subject first of all, then won't. Will not is used as won't as contraction form, then base form, first form of the verb, and then object. Manoj won't play cricket means Manoj will not play cricket. And interrogative sentence, will, shall, and then subject, verb first, and then object. Will Manoj play cricket? Interrogative negative, won't plus subject, V1 and object. Won't Manoj play cricket? These four sentences in every tense that I explained, from affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative and interrogative negative sentences, from so 6 sentences are framed, but here all my videos I explained only 4 sentences from 1 to 4 with formula, and it's an easy structure to learn for the students. So I hope you enjoyed this, and you have to write 2 to 3 times, practice it in written format and go through the formula, and then you can learn it. That is easy process of learning any tenses. Any tense that you want to learn, you have to practice, you know that. So I have given a sentence to you to make it and translate it into English, and the sentence is for you, मैं दिल्ली जाऊंगा. So translate this sentence into English, मैं दिल्ली जाऊंगा, and comment this sentence. Write and the comment down. And if you have any doubt regarding this, about the simple future tense, you can ask me and I will help you there. And if this video is helpful, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and like videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.